This is the elevator at the Rockleigh Country Club in Rockleigh, New Jersey. It's a Dover Impulse. Look at these fixtures. I'm just moving tables and stuff around. Let's wait for the chime. Okay, here we go. Let's go up to 2. And let's listen. Let's go back down to 1. ADA compliant phone. Dover bell, 3,500 pound capacity. It's just your basic Dover elevator. Let's go back up to number 2. The door close button does not work. Go back down to 1. Really hope this guy doesn't ask me what I'm doing, but this is a decent cab. I really hope they update the carpet in this thing soon, since this place is going under renovation. It's elevator 1. We'll take one more ride. And here we go. Door closed does not work. You know, about 4 years ago, this thing went into like nudge mode, so I'm really happy that they fixed that. So this video is a shout out to that guy who told me about this, and this elevator runs a lot better now. Hopefully they update the carpet though, because this place is going under a major renovation. And again, a 3,500 pound capacity, and it's a Dover. No original bumper. See if the Dover glitch works. Yep, Dover glitch at its best. So there it goes, and that's it.